Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri Nongjngohkai Perthai ka Sorkar Jilla Timothy di Shira habayakren bat kinong thok khobor halor kalong kaman ha kakam Nongjngohkai Perthai uloong ba kajing pakhang surok hakini kisngi baladap kakta bhai kakam Nongjngohkai Perthai bat ya kayo kakot jong ki try hotel bat ki yeng basa Menteri ulaya thuru ba kadon kajing hiar hadu kata kajing wan ki nongwan Nongjngohkai Perthai da ka baong bakani baro kadai na kadau bakadon kajing pakhang surok kamdon kajing wan ki Nongjngohkai Perthai kumno kinwan habaya ki surok lakhang linti laong Menteri Uloong ru bahalor kani kakam ki arngut ki menteri rangba kejela ki layakren banya penbet ula banjur bakum gini ki jingja kimdei banja shu ha kejela kum kajing pakhang linti namar kakta ya kalet kawan jengki kali jengki arteli ki jela Uloong ru baya ki kali ki badon ya registration number jong kejela Assam badi ki kali dei bansha banwan shajela Meghalaya kum juru iki kali na Meghalaya de bansha iki kali banrung shakajela Assam Uloong ru baka sorkar Meghalaya kala minjur bansiu bailut ksan ki kali ki basha penjulor ha kejingja kablaja dangshen bad uloong ru ba ukermen bakum kini ki jingja kinumja shu ha padeng kini ki artli ki jila habaya dei be kejing shakta ki hotel bat ki yeng basa Menteri uloong baka sorkar kam siu bailut ksan na kadau jong kajing hiar ha kayo kakot ula Kyntu ya ka shong suk shong san na kabenta kajing yat bet yat renti jengki kali kamai Shira ula Kyntu yikipat ba jong kejela Meghalaya banlong ki bahusiar bat ban pet yo kanwan kerto shalade naki kam ki bakile ha kajing yedei bat kejela Assam
30%. It is 100%. You say. There is no tourist coming in. How they will be able to come? Because the road is blocked.
So how to improve the situation?
Well, there is a discussion between the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Assam. We have resolved the issues. So there should not be any ban or any blockade now. So Assam government also, the taxi driver association from Assam also should be allowed to allow the Meghalaya vehicle to go to Assam, and Meghalaya people also should allow the Assam vehicle to come. Now this should be already they have a discussion, and whatever the damage caused to the Assam vehicle, she will be compensated by the government of Meghalaya. Then what more need they have? There should not be any more issue like that.
About occupancy, will the government help the hoteliers and stay home?
Yeah, they will pay the cost of the repair of those vehicle damage.
No, about the homestays and hoteliers.
Yeah.
Homestays, they are also affected.
Yeah, affected.
So will the government compensate?
There will be no compensation for the homestay. Yeah, from the state.
So what is your appeal to ensure that tourist flow is very normal?
My appeal is that we should understand. Any action we are taking here, will have any reaction or not in Assam. We must be very conscious. We should be very careful. To do anything also. Because whatever you do, there will be reactions of it. So thank you.